Welcome to day 9 of my personal challenge of eating healthy meals only for 30 days. This journey is not about weight loss, it is about physical restoration and mental clarity. Your body is a high performance machine. Replacing processed options with vibrant, healthy choices reduces inflammation and boosts your immune system. It also gives you mental clarity. I have a pot of water boiling and I'm going to salt the water with a decent amount of salt and I'm going to put my green fig to boil. Now these are not my ideal size of green fig. I prefer them when they are a bit younger, but these are what I had access to, so I just have to use them. I'm going to boil these for about 35 to 40 minutes. Today I felt like having some fish broth, but I don't have all the ingredients, so I'm going to make a little bit of steamed fish. I've added some oil to my pot, and this is olive oil, and I will add a few cloves of garlic, and I will allow the garlic to burn. The burnt garlic gives it a nice aroma. Once the garlic has caramelized and just beginning to turn burnt, I'm going to add some onions, but I will not be burning my onions. I'm going to add a few pieces of thyme. Some green onions, and I'm going to add my bell peppers and my carrots. I have some coarsely chopped green seasoning. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm adding some whole okras. How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it okras or do you pronounce it okras? I just feel funny saying okras. I'm so used to saying okras from Trinidad and Tobago, so I'm going to continue saying okras. It sounds weird, but that's what I'm used to. I'm going to add some water. And I'm going to give this another mix. Whatever vegetables I have in my fridge, and that's what I'm going to use today because I have to replenish. And I'm going to cover this for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the okra should have been pre-cooked. I'm going to start seasoning with a little bit of chief seafood seasoning. Some garlic powder. Some more onion powder. Some black pepper. And I'm going to stir it up. I don't want to break up my okras. I like a little bit of yellow color to it, but I don't have any saffron or any turmeric. I juiced carrots this morning, so I'm going to add a little bit of carrot juice. I'm going to add some salt, and I could add some scotch bonnet or some pepper sauce, but kids are going to eat this, so they don't like much pepper. I'm going to add my pieces of fish. If you are still watching at this point, I encourage you to subscribe, share, and to comment, because this is a way that helps to support me and it helps me to make more content. Don't wait for a perfect time or until you are exhausted to start eating healthy. It's important to take a break, even if a short break, while listening to your body and fuel your future. And there goes my 5 slices of kingfish. And I'm going to cover it over for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, we have a beautiful pot of steamed fish. It takes incredible discipline to maintain a consistent routine, but true wellness is about more than just a strict regime. It is about balance and longevity. Taking a break to focus on healthy eating is not an interruption to your day. It is the foundation of your performance. When you choose nutrient-dense whole foods, you aren't just eating, You are providing your brain with the clarity to think sharper and your body with the stamina to keep going. Be encouraged to subscribe. Thank you for joining and see you on day 10.